Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Another Doom Pile project. This involves 2 pieces. It's so nice to get these done. So I picked this jewelry holder up not too long ago. $6.50. I was desperate. And then I never did anything with her. So now I'm losing money. She's just a cute little, like you'd hang your necklaces on her, put your pins on her, that kind of thing. Somebody had done a number on it. This was not me. They tried to attach it to something. It didn't work out. Ironically enough, I had something similar to this. It was a torso that I had gotten, a foam torso that I covered in sheet music. And it was something that we did on the channel, and I had it for a long time, and I was hanging, using it as a display, hanging necklaces on it. And then it got broken. Like the foam torso, the boobs sheared off. Which, ow. I mean, you're going to shear off your boobs, that's going to hurt a bit. And you can see her foam bits are still here. The sheet music is still here. And I had Please Do Not Lift. It was an accident. It was an accident. But lucky for me, she will sit up here just perfectly. So I need to clean this off. So I had put this base in so that the other piece had a flat surface to sit on. This was just a candlestick. And then now that I'm looking at this, like it needs to be cleaned up a bit, this base, this iron base. Maybe not. I'm actually gonna scrub it up. Tighten the screw here, the nut. Let's tighten the nut. I know I had needle nose pliers out. Where did those go? Where'd I put them? Yeah, so let's just tighten up. So there's a nut on the bottom that's keeping the base on. And the base is spinning right now. All right. Now it's not spinning. No, we ain't going nowhere. All right. Let me go scrub this up. And then clean this off. We'll figure out what adhesive we're going to use to hold her to the base. I don't remember what I used before, but it sure worked. I think it's probably E6000. No, that would have eaten the foam. It's working, whatever it is. You know what? Because I had the paper on the bottom, I bet it was E6000. I bet I decoupaged the paper to the bottom of the foam and then used E6000. Do I even have any E6000? I don't think I do. Well, let's get it cleaned up and then we'll figure out what we have to use. And then this is getting added to this and it is going away. And then whoever had this before, the neck has come out. So we will need to glue that in as well. This is just like growing. Let's figure out what I have. Let's see if I have some epoxy. That would probably hold it forever. I ain't going nowhere if I throw some epoxy on that. Let's just have some construction adhesive. Some power grab here. I'm going to use that on here first. Let's make the price tag go away so I feel a little less awful about the fact that it has sat in here forever, gathering dust. $6.50. Why did I spend $6.50? Maybe I had a coupon. It just seems ridiculously high. Popsicle stick. The foam isn't going to hold nothing. So we are actually putting the construction adhesive on the wood part that's going to attach to the wood part. Spread it on like frosting. That's on there. Wonder if that's gonna be like the best for the base too. I don't like that there's multiple holes in this thing. There seems to be a wooden dowel in here. Not seems to be, there is. There's a wooden dowel right here. They tried to do something with. That is not doing nothing but causing a problem. Let's get that out of there. Two wooden dowels. A lot of foam eating away on this. Probably because they kept trying to put just a hole in there, which we're going to do, but then also we're going to put adhesive around the surface, the flat part, to give this something to mount to. I mean, you can't just stick a rod up it and think it's going to hold. It's not going to hold. Let me adjust you guys. The above shot's not going to work, so let's see what we can do here. Okay, I am going to put Power Grab all over this. I cannot get this off. This is not going nowhere. I don't know what I did. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look, but if it ain't coming off, we're just going to use it. I need more Power Grab. I put a lot on there. And we're going to use the popsicle stick and spread it around. So this thing has a surface to attach to. Otherwise, it's not going to stay. Like, we need to make contact in multiple places in order for this thing to stay put. And I will put some on the screw too. I want to put some around the edges. So if your edges are loose, that's where stuff gets in. Stop cussing, Stacy. I am going to make a new. Ugh, the skirt is a problem. We'll make a new hole. No. Okay, I have it down on there. I don't need to hold it on there, but I want to press it down just to be sure that it makes good contact. Why did that loosen up? Now my base is loose again. What's going on here? Like that. What the heck happened there? Oh, and it held. I wasn't holding the band that top, and I flipped it to its side and it stayed on. I was so concerned about the base being unsteady, I didn't even realize it. Oh my gosh, Stacy. Okay. Well, she's on there. She's got a base now, and she just needs to dry. Two more Doom Pile pieces out the door. Take two, make one. At least then, you know, I can use it for my display. If nobody buys it, I can hang necklaces. I have a few. I don't do a lot with jewelry, but and that's steady up there too. Thank you, construction adhesive. Hey, let me get this. All right, let's get the cap back on her, so I don't lose what's left of my. This was awesome. This worked perfectly. I'm very happy with this. Another project, like I said, not all of them are exciting and not all of them are that hard to do. It's just I've gotten behind like on these little repairs and things that can easily be fixed. She was costing me money sitting there, but now she is beautiful. She'll be able to, I'm going to have to lint roller her and get her all cleaned up, but yeah, she'll be pretty. I'll use her to hang necklaces on and put her in the booth. Pretty, pretty. All right, you guys, another one down. Another Doom Pile piece out the door. Thanks for watching. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.